She's a diamond. She's a diamond girl. She's a diamond. Diamond, diamond, diamond.
Hi YouTube, it's Princess Diamond. Welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be doing some spring twist crochet using the illusion braid pattern. The hair that I'm using is this springy passion twist from Model. So the packaging says it comes 3 times the amount. You get 3 bundles in one packaging, and each bundle has, as you could see, 10 spring twists. So altogether in one package you get about 30 spring twists, and we used 4 packs of hair, and we had a little bit of hair left over in the 4th pack, so 4 packs was definitely more than enough. This video is not sponsored, but I did drop a link for you guys to the hair if you guys are wanting to purchase that exact hair. My client purchased this hair at the beauty supply store herself. So again, video is not sponsored, so I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys the braid pattern. I started with a middle part and then 2 parts going down straight to her ears on both sides, and now I am just doing each row and starting to do the boxes. I chose to do it the size that I did it just because of the size of the crochet or the twist. I wanted the boxes that I did to pretty much match the size of the locks to make it look more natural. I chose to braid the entire front part of her hair, which is the illusion part of the braid pattern, just to do that first, and then I'll later braid the back half of the hair. But I wanted to focus on just the boxes first and then cornrow the rest going down. So for the spring twist hair that we use, it did come 14 inches. I really like them because they resemble the spring twist that I did on her a few months back. If you guys had seen that, if you didn't, I'll link it so you guys can go check it out. But those were more individual twists that I did myself, but these are crochet, of course. But again, I thought they resembled the individual spring twists. These of course took a lot less time since they are crochet. These ones were also a little longer in length than the ones that we did individually, but they're both still cute. I'm sure my client appreciated doing these as crochet rather than individuals, as she is pregnant and glowing, if I can add. So she didn't have to sit as long as she would have needed to if we would have done these individually. Now I'm done with the front half, and I'm just going to cornrow the rest of her hair going straight back, and I'm going to cornrow them 2 rows at a time. So I'm taking these 2 rows and putting them together and cornrowing it in one braid going straight back, and I'm pretty much just doing that on the rest of her hair. Now I'm completely done with the braid pattern, and I'm just going to tuck away that last braid into the other braids and just have that away. And the braid pattern is going to take you the longest time. Once you're done with that, crocheting the rest of your hair will take you probably 30 minutes tops. It's the quickest part of crochet, doing a crochet style. And I'm just oiling her scalp before I start to crochet it in. But yeah, now we're just going into crocheting it. Like I said, again, this is the easiest and quickest part of doing crochet, but this is pretty much it. I'm just crocheting all of the twists just within where the boxes parts are. And yeah, I love the end result. I hope you guys stick around to see that. And I thought that they looked really good. I thought they looked full. These braids or twists were very lightweight, not heavy at all. They were short, so yeah, I really loved it. Let me know what you guys think though. So leave me a comment, give this video a thumbs up if you did like it, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I appreciate you guys, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Be blessed, stay protected, stay filled with love and peace. Be sure to watch to the end.